everyone, this is Louie and welcome to Louie Loves. This video is for my restoration project for my Louis Vuitton Noe GM. This is a vintage bag. It's from 1993. So she's pretty old, but I think she looks great for her age. So her problem is the watermarks on the bottom. The materials that I'm gonna use are Huggies Wipes. This is 99% water, I believe, purified water. And I have a white microfiber cloth. And I have basic cotton rounds. And I will use Bickmore Big 4 leather conditioner first, and then Bickmore Big 1 leather cleaner. And so that's the plan right now. I'm going to wipe it with Huggies and then dry it out, and then I will do the conditioning, okay? So first I remove the strap and then I'll put it on the side. And I'll use some wipes to wipe the entire bag to make sure it's clean. Next, I'll clean the strap with wipes too. The strap is in pretty good condition, for granted that it's 1993 bag. Yeah, still in great condition. You see the round? It's yikes. I'm now using the Bickmore Big 1 leather cleaner. And again, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. And I will try this magic eraser, okay? This is the condition of the bag after I clean it and condition it. The bottom is a lot cleaner. These marks are permanent and I'm okay with it. Yeah. The bag has a very dark patina in it because this is a 1993 bag, and this is the back of it. And look at the front. Look, I am so proud of myself. I did it. Look, I clean it. Oh. And I conditioned the handle and the trim. Yeah, I'm just so proud of me because I was able to remove the watermarks. Yay!